Right, we've arrived at IKEA, Milton Keynes. There's no way there. Unbelievable. What kind of driving is that? Anyway, we've arrived. Hello and welcome to this episode. I'm doing a range test today for the Vauxhall CorsaE. During the winter, I realized the range, the numbers that it gives, they are not really quite good. So today I'll check in a minute. I've just charged it. It's not 100%. I know that. It's giving me 75 miles. I think it's got 60%. But I know that this is not entirely true in terms of mileage. So we're going to Milton Keynes this morning to just pick up a few things for the wife on our holiday, on her birthday. So I'll just take this opportunity and do a range test and see exactly what it does, because the numbers it gives and the percentage, they don't go hand in hand. And in the CorsaE, there is no percentage. You can only see the percentage on the app, so you can't really see the percentage on the car. It only gives you the mileage, unlike on the corsa-e, which gives you both the percentage and the mileage. But the CorsaE, weirdly, is the same battery size, 50 kilowatt. It's the same size. Everything about the car is the same as the corsa-e. So why they don't have the same, it's beggars belief, really. But I'll show you the dash in a minute and we will take it from there. I will reset this now. There we are. It's showing 22 miles to go and we've got 24 miles. It's touch and go. It's touch and go at the minute, but I'm in cruise control. I'm doing 60 miles per hour. We will see how we get on. Right, we've arrived at IKEA, Milton Keynes. There's no way there. Unbelievable. What kind of driving is that? Anyway, we've arrived at IKEA and it was 51 miles, I think it was. We've done 56 miles and the car has got 6 miles left in it. So that was a bit of a push. But I didn't know there was a charging station in IKEA. So there is electricity, which is grid safe now. So all is good. We can now charge our car. Everyone is looking at me, us thinking, what is he doing? So all is good. The car was doing 3 miles per kilowatt hour. And it was okay. It wasn't too bad. So it actually used up most of what it had, which I had 60%. And yeah, the weather, it says 7 degrees out there, but it feels a bit warmer than that, but I haven't got sensors to describe that. So yeah, all is good. We'll pack up here and charge for a couple of hours, then we should be out. School run. There we are, IKEA. There's a grid safe charger there and 2 slots. All good. There's only one charging station and the only charger I can use then is the AC, because I can't use the CCS. So that's it really. I'll use my cable and charge that way. Don't know why it looks like it stopped charging. Might as well change it now. Might as well change the charger to a different charger. Might as well put a quicker charger than the 22 kilowatt hour. I'll put the CS2 one. Right, I'll use that now. Right. Why is it saying that? I'm on that. What a lot of a fuck, really. It's beginning to, it's charging again now, but it looks like when the other vehicle was taken off, it looks like they unplugged mine. So I just looked on the app and saw that it wasn't charging, so yeah. Looks like it's working now. That was a bit rubbish, really. But I'm back now. I've gone back to IKEA. I've now put a CCS, so it should be a bit quicker. And hopefully, you know, we'll have at least 50% when we leave here. Right, shopping done. We've charged the car at 82% now. I'm about to stop it. Hopefully it won't be that difficult like earlier on. Right, here we go. A bit worried about that because I've just stopped it without putting my card on there. Sorry for the noise. Sorry about that. I stopped it without producing my card, which means anyone can stop your charge. I didn't like that. I think there's something wrong there, but yeah. That's 82% now, and we are off back to Peterborough. See you on our way. See, it's always nice to see more electric cars. As you can see, the car next to me there is the ID3. You know, it's nice to see people moving to electric vehicles. Right, we are now back in Peterborough, and straight away we are now doing our school run and all that and picking up the children. But yeah, we arrived, we left MK with 86%, and I've arrived with about 50% back here in Peterborough, and I've got 55 miles, I think it says. So yeah, it was okay, but I think it struggled a bit with the weather condition, and I lost a bit of mileage on there. The weird thing is, I'd rather have the percentage than the miles left, because the percentage gives me more in that. I've got more information on what I'm doing than when I have miles, because the miles, it kind of underreports the miles a lot more than what the percentage will do. So Vauxhall need to change that. They need to have both, at least like on the corsa-e, where you've got the percentage and the miles, then you can work it out yourself. But yeah, it was okay. I'll let you know the charge on there, how much I paid from the GridServe, and as well the charging. I wasn't too happy with the charging, the fact that it stopped, and I can think of what happened. Anyone can stop your charge on the GridServe, which is not right. I think you should have a system where, like on InstaVolt, where you have to tap in using the card that you started the machine, and tap that card again to stop the charging. I only pressed stop on there, and it stopped. Without me, I could be anyone stopping someone's charge, of which happened to me today. And had I not looked on my phone to see that my charge wasn't going up, I would have come out with 22%, which means I would have had to wait again. So GridServe, I think they need to look at that seriously, to say no one can stop someone charging, because that's exactly what happened to me today. So be mindful when you're using it that anyone can stop. So keep on looking at the app if you've got an app on your electric car. So yeah, that was our journey to Milton Keynes, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. See you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got more videos to come regarding the Vauxhall Corsa and the Mustang Mach-E. Thank you. Bye.